To prevent any damage, place the doors on quilted pads. Remove the protective packaging and then stand the door on an end. The door mounting hardware is pre-installed. Flip open the pre-installed door hinge. When attaching the doors, line up the hinge plates on the studio doors with the hinge on the studio base. It may help attaching the doors if you start with the lower hinge first. Tighten the bottom hinge screws slightly to keep it in place. Repeat this step for the top hinge. Tighten both screws, but do not over-tighten them. Test that doors open and close completely. Repeat this step with the left or right door, making sure you test the door.